Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a new account in Phantom Wallet. Phantom Wallet lets you create multiple accounts under one wallet. This is useful if you want to separate funds, organize assets, or manage different purposes like trading versus savings. Each account has its own address but all controlled by a same recovery phrase. So first, launch to your Phantom app on a device and you can unlock it using a password or a Face ID or fingerprint. And once you get into this interface, in the top left you can find this profile icon. Select there and go to the setting. Over here under the setting we can find there's an option for the manage account. Tap there and simply select to this add account on the bottom. Over here you can either create a new account, connect hardware wallet, import recovery phrase, or other options. I'm going to select to this import recovery phrase here. After that, simply type down the recovery phrase and simply tap on the import and you'll be able to add a new account in your Phantom Wallet, and that is it. Adding a new account in Phantom Wallet is quick and easy. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.